Hello, AJ Reports. I'm Jake and this is Alice. You say hello. And what are we going to be doing today? Are we going to be making a banana split? Should we get started then? So, here's Alice's banana. Would you need some help peeling it? Or can you peel it yourself? Do you want me to start it? There we go. You start and you finish peeling. There we go. Look at that. Alice loves a banana split. Right. There's my banana. Put the rubbish in the bag. Have you got yours? Or do you need some help? There we go. Right. Let's look at this. Should we say the banana is finished? It's finished. There we go. I've done too many. Right, so now we're going to cut the banana. Can you get your knife? Your knife, thank you. Right, and you're going to go like that, down the middle. No, not that way. This way. And you go nice and gentle, down the middle. Well done. Right, so next we're going to do the ice cream. Oh wow, look, the ice cream. Should we get the ice cream? Which one would Alice like? Would Alice like the strawberry? Okay. Right, there we go. Put it on top. Lovely. Oh, the ice cream's a bit melty because it's a lovely hot day today. And I'm going to have the chocolate. Right. Can Alice tick it off? Oh, we're going to show you the sign for chocolate. What's the sign for chocolate? Can you say chocolate? Use a bit then. Say chocolate. Thank you. And strawberry. You say strawberry. Strawberry. Good. Good sign, So should we take ice cream off? Yeah. And we've scooped it as well. So what's next? The cream. The cream. Okay, here we go. Do you want to do it yourself or shall I do it? Right, you help. You help. You ready? Oh, lovely. Can you do mine? I'm going to go right down the middle of mine. Look at that. The cream. Can you tick the cream off? Can you tick it? What's next? The chocolate. We'll do these chocolates first. Right then, can you pick how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wow. I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Let's take chocolate off. The sweets. So our sweets are going to be marshmallows. Can you show me the sign? The sweets. Sweets. There you go. Alice likes marshmallows. Oh, you can put a sprinkle on. Should we sprinkle? Should we say? There we go. A couple more. Can you do mine? Can you do mine? Oh, thank you. Right. Should we take the sweets off? What's next? The chocolate sauce. You can do all the chocolate sauce you want. There you go. You do it. Both hands. Squeeze. Oh wow, look at that. So you do your chocolate, my chocolate sauce. Oh wow, look at that. Oh. And what's next? What's next? Eat. Oh wow. So should we say bye, AJ Report? Oh, do we have to eat it? Come on then. You get your spoon. Oh wow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Yummy. Say yummy. Right, say bye. Bye, AJ Report.